All right. Can't believe up at 4:30 this morning. Now, Jake, I'm going to keep you in here. Well, I'm getting there. I had to go and get the OSB board for the roof. T111. 2x6s for the rafters. Got some of this up. I can't wait to get some of the things inside that are like crunching everything. Out here, at least. This was gonna be, see how funny Father is? This was going to be the firewood shed. Well, it's not anymore. It's just gonna be an extra shed. It's 4x12. So, I'll do the roof rafters, finish putting the T111 today, and I think that's gonna do it. It's hot out. I organize things. So that all that in the blue is for my solar panels, the adjustable array for 10 panels. That's gonna go like over here once I clear that out, and then it'll tilt. So like right now in the summer it's I think 18 degrees, but in the winter it goes up to like 45. Now a lot of people will just take those two numbers, go in the middle and just make them permanent at that angle, but you lose a tremendous amount. And it's good that it'll be more vertical this way in the winter anyway, because the snow won't sit on it. So anyway, but that's way down the road. Gotta do this deck afterwards underneath to fortify it. And then pretty much, although it's not going to be exactly where those panels are, actually to the right side of the panels. I'm trying to see where I can, these panels, they're really crates. So the firewood shed's going to start here, and then it's going to go 6 feet, and it's going to go 6 feet up, and 16 feet long. And then hopefully I'm getting rid of this tank, and I'm going to put a 400 or 500 gallon tank right where the back of it, like around here going down. And then I'll put those firewood things inside, and it's going to, unlike that's going to have a door. This will just be all opened, so the sun will get at it. Oh boy. Beautiful day. I think it's 86 degrees. Nice sky. Oh, and I got a camera, a Canon. So it has more things than this does. And it has a big zoom. See, I can't zoom with this. So I tried to do it with my old blue one, the Canon Sure Shot that's probably got in 2010, and it works except for when you go to zoom, it click, 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 click. So anyway, all right. Until next time.